to talk about consistent hashing, what consistent hashing is, and what are its benefits and demerits and all that. Consistent hashing is a technique used to distribute keys across a cluster of nodes in a way that minimizes the number of keys that needs to be moved when nodes are added or removed from the cluster. So this is useful in all the distributed systems where nodes can come and go dynamically, and as it allows the system to maintain and relatively evenly distribute the keys despite the changes in the cluster size. In a consistent hashing system, each node is assigned a range of keys called the hash ring based on the hash function. When a key is added to the system, it is hashed and placed on the node whose hashing it falls within. So if a node is added or removed from the cluster, only the keys that fall within its hashing need to be removed to a new node. This is in contrast to other methods of key distribution such as random assignment or range-based partitioning, which can require many keys to be removed when the cluster size changes. What are the benefits of consistent hashing? If we talk about the main benefits of consistent hashing, it allows for a more evenly distribution of keys across the nodes, which can improve the performance and scalability of the system that we are building. When keys are evenly distributed, each node has a similar workload, which can help to prevent hotspot and bottlenecks in the system. Also, consistent hashing can reduce the amount of communication and coordination required between nodes, as nodes not need to communicate with each other to uh, with determine which keys they should be responsible for. If we talk about different variations of consistent hashing, there are several variations of consistent hashing, including region-based hashing, which uses a different approach to determine the node responsible for a given key. However, all variations of consistent hashing aim to provide a scalable and efficient method for distributing keys across a cluster of nodes. So in general or in overall, consistent hashing is a useful technique for distributing keys in distributed system, as it allows the system to adapt to changes in the cluster size while maintaining a relatively even distribution of keys, which can improve the performance and scalability of the system and reduce the amount of communication and coordination between the nodes. And that's all it is for today. Thank you for watching.